Welcome to Mindflows. This is MK, and today I'll show you how to schedule meetings in Monday CRM using Google Calendar. Once you have your Monday CRM open, go to your contacts or leads board. Open the update section and click Integrate. Choose Google Calendar, click on Connect, and sign in. Once connected, click the plus icon and select your calendar. Done! And to schedule a meeting, you can open emails and activities, click the plus icon, add activity, and choose meeting. You can fill in the details and just click save event. If you also need to edit a meeting, you can just open it, make the changes, and save. That's it! Meetings made easy with Monday CRM. Follow us for more Monday.com tips. We're Mindflows, a certified Monday.com and software partner.